I gave my aunts 3 different sized wieners to see which they preferred. For this experiment, I used a 2-inch Vienna wiener, a regular size 6-inch wiener, and then this big 12-inch wiener. For clarity, I will refer to the small wiener as weenie, to the regular wiener as wiener, and to the big wiener as Haas. As soon as I flopped the 3 wieners on the ground, the ants enthusiastically swarmed all over them. In their wiener optimism, the ants did not discriminate based on size. They equally worked the weenie and the slightly larger wiener. But it seemed that the Haas was beating the other 2 by numbers. This was simply a function of the size and surface area of this gigantic wiener. At least half the colony was working the Haas. However, it appeared that the ants were not particularly picky-unish when it came to wieners. After a while, they really started tearing into the wieners. The Haas was showing definite signs of shredding on its surface, but the regular wiener and the weenie were also being vigorously devoured, and the weenie was the first to disappear. Then the Schlongmeister showed up and wrecked everything. He really zeroed in on the Haas at first and ran off with it. He egressed with this large wiener into the darkness to devour it in privacy. But the Haas was not enough to satisfy the Schlongmeister. He snuck back in later and nabbed the last remaining wiener. Dude.